Hello. I don't show our front door very often on here, I guess because it doesn't get the view. It's at the back of the house really, so I don't really talk about it much, but it is a Palladio door, a composite door. It's really solid. It's got this lovely sort of grain effect in it, which is really nice. We chose a very simple design with an opaque window in it, which we love. And if you know me, you know how indecisive I am and I cannot visualise anything. So what we found really helpful was the door designer on their Palladio website, and they've asked us to show you how it works. So I'm going to go do that now. So the door designer is really simple. You just pick your colours, your glazing, your handle, your letterbox if you want one. And there are literally hundreds of different combinations you could come up with, and you can bet your life that we tried hundreds because you know me. But this really nifty feature here means that you can preview the door on your own house, which is amazing for somebody like me who can't visualize anything. So you just upload a picture. We obviously just had the elevations at the time, and you can resize the door that you've designed, pop it on the house, and voila, you've got your there she is. Yeah, so that's how we chose our front door. It was probably one of the quickest and easiest decisions of the build, to be honest. We had it supplied through our local window and door supplier, Nice Glaze. So they were fab. They had them on display in the shop, and once you saw it beside a UPVC door, it was a no-brainer, worth the extra money, to be honest. It's really secure, really airtight, looks just like a real wood door without all the hassle, basically. Yeah, beautiful, love it, highly recommend.